Welcome back, continuing the news. The devastation is all too familiar. Wees Road and neighboring streets in 9 Miles, Bull Bay, St. Andrew again digging their way out of mud and silt after the river broke its banks and washed through their homes. Herman Green revisited the area today where the residents say they're fed up.
So I'm sick of this, no promises and nothing not done. I'm sick physically and mentally over this.
Mary Douglas expressing the frustration residents of Wees Road and adjoining areas in 9 Miles, Bull Bay, St. Andrew are feeling. Tuesday evening, as Tropical Storm Grace rained across the island, they felt the brunt of the downpour as the Chalky River again overflowed its banks.
When all of the water is coming off of the hill, all of them buck up and in the grind there in the river, that's when the bank break away. And then all hell break loose, all the stone, everything. We just had to move as quick as possible and do what we could.
Wednesday morning, residents were marooned. Workers from the China Harbour Engineering Company tried to help.
A lot of debris has come down and the road is blocked because of the river. So we are just here trying to clear the road for the people so that they can be able to traverse in and out.
Inside the homes and yards are no different. Residents say they have been trying to clear their homes from Tuesday night.
So it's really a mess down here in Bull Bay once again. And persons are saying they are very much frustrated about what is being done. They think enough is not being done. It's a patchwork each time it rains, and they're calling for greater work to be done to fix the situation once and for all.
They blame government agencies for the catastrophe, insisting that they have yet to adequately address the issue.
Them to fix the gully properly, because it never fixed properly. If the gully did dig deeper, fix properly, I don't think this will happen again.
The foundation come up, use a basket and stone come down. And dig out the gully them, the drain them one clean, them dirty, bad. When I not dirty, none of them are rubbish.
Some say they have given up and are now looking to leave the area. Others insist that they want political representatives to be held accountable for the failed work over the years. Herman Green, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, the councillor for the Dallas division, which includes Wees Road, Celia James, says despite the government's efforts, a number of factors are preventing progress in relocating the residents. Firstly, the councillor says efforts by the municipal corporation and the member of parliament were thwarted by persons seeking political mileage.
Me and Mrs. Solis go there, the mayor, that is Delroy Williams, we visit. We talk with them, we tell them they're supposed to leave. Mrs. Owens even as much as get somewhere in Albion. We get somewhere up by Cane River. And the other side come there and tell them not to leave. And I don't think there's anything more me and Mrs. Solis can do, because we are not God nor even the Prime Minister. Because this what taking place is act of God. And if people don't really care about them health, I don't see what more we can do. We go there more than one time. We try to render assistance, we try to help, and they still stick out. They are not leaving.
The councillor says persons are asking to be moved to expensive communities, but the government does not have the resources to put them there. French Brooks and Albion are the areas being presented. She believes these places are better than where they are now. She also responded to suggestions that the river and drains need to be more cleaned more often.
I never know the water or the climate again, because none of we don't know what God is coming with, and this is act of God. And if we even build the wall of Jericho and God mean that water going to go over the wall of Jericho, it going to go over it.